Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Enable your partners to sell more faster with the world's #1 sales platform. Here are 4 ways to grow channel sales and increase margins with Salesforce CPQ for PRM. First, give partners the tools they need to sell, quote, and close all in one place. Sales Cloud PRM gives partners secure access to the Salesforce data and workflows they need to drive channel sales. Once inside, they can view leads and personalized content, as well as track and manage the deals they have in flight. Next, empower your partners to create quotes in Salesforce. With Salesforce CPQ for PRM, extend quoting to your channel with guardrails that you put in place. Partners only see the products they sell, and configuration rules ensure the quote is always accurate. Then, optimize channel revenue and control margins with ease. When it comes time to price, partners only see their qualified discount level. Control discounting requests even further with approvals. And use Chatter to eliminate back-and-forth communication and collaborate directly on deals. And finally, get channel pipeline and forecast accuracy with reports and dashboards. Now that your partners are working within the same Salesforce instance, gain an expanded view into your channel business. Get real-time visibility over your channel pipeline and the products your partners are selling. Track important opportunities and see how each partner is performing so you can provide support. With CPQ for PRM, you're well on your way to growing your channel business and increasing margins. Learn more on Salesforce.com.